Alright, it's day 9. Today is our resupply day. We got 15 miles to Muir Trail Ranch this morning. We decided to get up at 4 o'clock and leave at 5:30ish so that we could get there middle of the day and enjoy the hot springs that they have there. So I was pretty pumped for that, but really early morning as well. Record time, I think. I didn't really get any of the mountain.
Oh boys, I had a jack. Oh, tortillas. You got 2 Snickers? Where'd you find those?
Whew, day 10 out here at Sally Keys Lake. Oh, just came 2,500 feet out of MTR. Probably about 6 miles or so. 9 left. Got a resupply, packs are heavy again. Yesterday was super fun. Got all of our new food, switching some stuff out at the hiker boxes. And hung out with 3 new friends we met.
I also got a trail name. I'm now known as Juice Man.
And Juice Man and Brock and Michael. But yeah, there were hot springs by MTR. We soaked in those and then found a lake, did some cliff jumping, played some rummy, and drank a bunch of gin with it. So we called it Gin Rummy. Top of Selden Pass. Good climb with our newly weighted packs. Back to 45 pounds or so. Going all the way down there today, over that ridge. Even though we had just resupplied at MTR, we decided to go with our new trail friends to Vermilion Valley Resort, or VVR, because we heard that it was great for JMT hikers, and but they also had a pretty good selection of cold beer there. But this required going just over 20 miles with our newly resupplied heavy packs, making this definitely the hardest day of the trip.
Right now.
Well, night hike.
Yeah, I'm mainly joking because it would be really it would be a really bad idea if we did that. This is a joke.
Maybe.
I don't think we should do that. The forest starts looking real.
You can see everyone in this. That looks funny.
Before we all fall asleep. Or pull out the cards and play gin rummy. I've got this table. Come on. Nope.
You don't usually do
You don't stay that long.
Paul, how you feel about some ice cold beers today? Cold. How you feel about some cold beers today?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm excited. Hopefully they have some hams.
preferably.
Gus, ready for some garbage light?
Oh man, garbage
I might have to.
You might have to go a little crazy with two.
They overwhelmed our septic system. By overwhelming laundry and shower system. It was great for those 2 dips.
Beer for Code.
Can't wait. So you want to take over the little paddle bike? Bar cutter.
I can't believe we did this.
Oh, they do have great beer.
This is
Friends.
yeah.
put it in there.
Friends.
Cheers.
Still brown coming out of there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so nice to have clothes that smell like lavender. Pauley's gonna cut it.
Happy belated and almost birthday!
It's almost your birthday.
Yay!
October, okay.
It's like right around the
Butter knife is not quite cut.
Yeah.
We're just gonna eat from
Okay, I'm moving on to this system. Have as much ice cream as you want. But that was like much.
Back to the trail. Yeah! I believe it's day 11. Maybe day 12. Not sure. Going up Silver Pass. That's the view. We're all sweating out a little beer today. From last night and yesterday. Got a little drunk at VVR with our trail buddies. Hanging in there. That is pretty fucking glorious.